today I'm going to take you through 5 features I really love on the Sea Ray SPX 190. Come along with me.
Let's start with the attractive appearance of the sporty hull design of this SPX 190. And I love this side walkway here. So whether you're going from the swim deck in the boat or from the boat to the swim deck, very easy. And now that we've made it in the boat, you'll notice the layout is very open and it definitely has that Sea Ray finish out touch when you look at the designs, the stitching, strategically placed. This is a beautiful boat, making sure that all of your guests are basking in luxury. And you know what happens when you bring lots of people on the boat. You might have lots of drinks with a cooler in that back side walkway, as well as a large storage area right here across from the helm. And then you'll have seats on hinges with additional storage in the front. All of this making sure your passengers have what they need for a full day on the lake. And when it comes to flooring, this snap in, snap out Sea Dek is the best solution, whether it is just how cool it is on your feet on a hot summer day, or if you need to wash your floor, you can easily pull out this Sea Dek and get all that grime out of there. And for the engine, you'll have options for a best-in-class MerCruiser as far as sterndrive goes, or you can do a Mercury Outboard motor to make sure this sport boat lives up to the performance your guests are expecting.
If you have any other questions on the types of boats in these videos, please do not hesitate to contact me direct at 512-774-0866. Otherwise, you can find the links for the other videos in this series in the description below. This is Tom Knotek signing off. I will catch you here in the store next time, if not on the lake.